In this video, I am going to show you how you can avoid false breakouts while trading. I'm going to use crypto as our trading example. Let's get straight into it. So first of all, to understand how to avoid false breakouts, you need a TradingView account. Link will be down below, guys. It is completely free. However, if you upgrade to Pro version, it will help you out a lot. When you have converging support and resistance, eventually the price has to break out. Could be up, could be down. To trade these breakouts, it's very good to use breakout patterns like a wedge or a flag. They all share one common characteristic. The price consolidates, forming two important levels. Eventually it breaks out. So you can draw a support and resistance line to create a pattern. This is the part where mistakes can happen. Typically, you wait for a breakout in one direction. So when the price breaks through its resistance line, you quickly enter the trade. But sometimes it turns out to be a false breakout and the price reverses in the opposite direction. To avoid this situation, you can look for specific types of candles that indicate momentum. These are either one large or three small candles moving in the same direction. I'm going to show you an example. In this case, you can set a resistance level. Additionally, there's a key support level where the price has reversed multiple times. You can observe a decent sized candle forming and breaking the resistance level, but there is a problem. Only the wick of the candle broke out and a red candle appeared instead of a green candle. I'm going to show you another example. You have the support and resistance level set up. The price is moving. A candle breaks through the resistance level but doesn't have a large body, so it doesn't qualify as a momentum candle. Then a second candle appears, but it is still relatively small, so in this case you need to wait. Now, a third green candle appears, which indicates a bullish run. This is the point where you can enter the trade. Now, three possible scenarios can occur. First, the price may continue to rise from here. Second, the price could return to the resistance level and rebound. Thirdly, the price might break through the resistance level and fall back down, indicating a false breakout. For this, you will enter the trade when the momentum candle closes. To manage risk, you will need to set your stop loss just below the resistance level. This way, if the price pulls back and bounces off the resistance level, it will not hit your stop loss and you can still profit. If the price rises directly from here, you are in the trade. Considering this candle as a momentum candle, the chances of a false breakout are very low, but to be safe, you have to put a stop loss if the price suddenly drops. And if you want to trade Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies, I usually recommend Bitflex as my go-to exchange for these breakout trades. So link will be down below. In fact, if you deposit only $100 to Bitflex, you can get $10 in immediate cash back and look at this, an Apple Watch. So you only deposit $100. You need to make at least one trade. That's all you need. And then you can be eligible to win an Apple Watch. I already have mine right here. So I'm set already, but up to you guys. Go to Bitflix right now. Link will be down below. All right, now that you have your entry points, I'm going to tell you how you can plan your exit strategy. First, identify your entry signal. Then you place your stop loss below the resistance line to manage risk. After that, you set your take profit line between 1.5 and 2. When the price reaches your take profit level, then you sell half of your crypto or your trade to secure that profit. Then you adjust your stop loss to the previous take profit level. The target of your take profit level also depends on the trading pattern that you're trading. For this, you can check my video on how to make $100 per day. I explained to you there exactly how to trade strategies that make you up to $100 per day. But in this video, I will show you how to use an indicator, which is the chandelier indicator. To add the chandelier indicator, you can go to TradingView, click on the indicators tab and search for the chandelier stop. Then adjust the ATR multiplier to 2 in the indicator settings. This will provide your exit strategy. Now, you set a new stop loss at the previous take profit level and exit the trade when the chandelier indicator changes colors. In this case, the price went up immediately without forming a pullback. This is why I prefer entering trades quickly, as most breakouts tend to move straight up without a pullback. If you want to make these quick breakout trades, it's important that you use a reliable exchange, which is why I would actually personally recommend Bitflix. You can also use Bybit, obviously also Binance, but personally for my trades currently I am using Bitflix for these breakout trades. I'm going to give you one more example. First, we identify important levels to set as support and resistance. Once we have the trend lines, we wait for a momentum candle to break through the resistance level. If only one candle breaks but doesn't have a large body, we wait for 2 more green candles. When we see 3 consecutive green candles, that's our signal to enter the trade. Set a stop loss order below the resistance line and establish a take profit level at a 1.5 ratio. When the price reaches the take profit level, sell half of your crypto. After selling half, we can move the stop loss to the previous take profit level and activate the chandelier indicator. Now wait for the remaining position until the chandelier indicator changes colors. Once it does, we can exit the trade. Don't forget to use the links below in the description if you do want to get a bonus to start trading on Bitflix, Bybit. You also have Binance, OKX. All of these exchanges are exchanges that I'm using myself. My personal #1 favorite is Bitflix and also Bybit. If you want to work for Binance or Bybit, they are all hiring right now, and they are hiring over on cryptojobs.com. This is the fastest growing crypto job board in the world. Link down below. Check it out. See you over there. Bye-bye.